What's the meaning of animism? Animism. 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 Animism.
Animism is the belief that all natural and physical entities, including animals, plants, rocks, and even inanimate objects, possess a soul or spirit. This belief holds that the spiritual world is intertwined with the physical world, and that these spirits can influence human affairs. Animism is often associated with indigenous religions and cultures, as well as with shamanism and ancestor worship. In essence, animism is a worldview that sees the world as alive and interconnected, with all beings having intrinsic value and deserving of respect.